Wait, Rob, tormented so that he was all one man. Gibble had to send a letter to his father's house. A chapter on my life. Romeo will answer it? Any man that can write me answer a letter. Nay, he will answer the letter's master how he dares being dead. Well, alive, for Romeo, he is already dead. That was the white person's black eye. One thing the ear will look for. The very pin of his heart cleft from the blind gold-glowing mustache. And is he a man to encounter Dibble? Why, what is Dibble? More than Prince of Cats. He is the courageous captain of compliments. What's what he fight? As you say, quick song. Keeps time, distance, and proportion. Direct, his minimum rep. 1, 2, and the third is the bosom, the very butcher of a silk button. I told you. I told you that a gentleman of the very first count of the first.
Who is the black guy talking, I reckon?
There was a sound. Look at her, that's all.